So I moved back from the shop on the ranch, 8,000 square feet. The owner of that property, I guess, was ready for something else. And I'm back in my home shop. We moved up here to Fort Pierce from Fort Lauderdale because this spot we have, I'm on a half acre and it's zoned commercial and the price was right, and got a little 2.5 car garage back there, a shipping container. I built this little temporary roof and I extended it with some tarps. So I got Tarp City going on over here, and I'm making some Sapele, solid wood Sapele office furniture. I've done stuff similar in the past. I'm actually making, it's going to be identical to some of the furniture I did in the past for the same company. They were happy with it. All going to be waterfall ends, but anyway, I'm knocking out these glue-ups. And I'm just using the dominoes in there to line everything up with a joint like this on the edge grain. You don't really need anything else to strengthen that joint. It's strong enough on its own. A lot of times I won't put anything in there, especially if it's under 18 inches wide, because then I could just glue it up and run it through my thickness planer. I'll use some clamping cauls sometimes, but there's no need for biscuits or dowels or dominoes or any of that. The joint's strong enough on its own. And this is my shop setup now. You saw it originally when I first got out here, and it was tight. It was tight working out here. And then for the length of it, I've got 20 foot from the front to the back, so positioning tools and machinery was a little tricky. I took out a support post in the middle to make a little more room and put that beam in, but then I put this tarp up here because when I was out here before, anytime it was raining, I couldn't really run material because half of my work is outside, whether I'm running long stuff through the joiner or the thickness planer or even on the table saw. I was half outside, so if it was raining I was kind of shut down until it quit. And now this, I put a little gutter up and that covers pretty well. At some point I would like to put a big steel building out here when money allows, you know. But anyway, it's great working from home. It really is nice. I was working all weekend, Saturday, Sunday I came out. And it's just so easy because all I have to do is walk out my back door. And you don't need a high-end shop to build high-end furniture. It really doesn't take much. If you have the motivation, the skill to do it. Even if you don't have the skill, you could watch a YouTube video. But these things, once I sand these and build the furniture, this wood's really nice. The grain on it's going to be beautiful. I'm just doing a clear finish on it. Anyway, that's what I'm up to. Hope you guys are having a good Monday. Thanks for watching.